Ever wished you could automate your communication with just a few lines of code? Today, we're diving into how to harness the power of Chatgpt to generate Python code for interacting with the Twilio API, unlocking a world of possibilities for sending SMS messages, making calls, and more. First, head over to Chatgpt. We're going to ask it to create a Python script that sends an SMS message using the Twilio API. Be specific in your prompt. For example, ask it to include error handling and clear comments. Copy the generated code. Next, open your favorite code editor and paste the code. Now, for the crucial part, replace the placeholder values for account SID and auth token with your actual Twilio credentials. You can find these in your Twilio account dashboard. Navigate to the Twilio website and log in. Your account SID and auth token are prominently displayed on your dashboard. Make sure you keep these secret. Copy and paste them into your script. Now, update the from_ and to phone numbers. In the script, the from_ number should be your Twilio phone number, and the to number should be the recipient's phone number. Be sure to include the country code. Save your file. Then open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where you saved the script and execute it using the Python command. If everything is set up correctly, you should see a success message, and the recipient should receive your SMS message. And that's it. You've successfully used Chatgpt to generate Python code for interacting with the Twilio API. Imagine the possibilities: appointment reminders, notifications, two-factor authentication, and so much more. Start exploring and happy coding.